Alright guys, so the first video I shot, the audio was corrupted, so I couldn't use it at all, and I've done whatever I could to try and fix it. Couldn't do it. Anyhow, this is my new setup for right now for Speedzar Services. It's a tower mount, so your PC doesn't have to be on the floor, you know. Then I've got the headphones. The headphones, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 screens, but that's for another computer. And in the back, behind the screen, I have a printer. So that's what basically this computer is set up for. Okay, so whenever documents, whatever. So I have this for audio, editing, video editing, and this could be used for whatever, but there's like a document on there that I update constantly. And then my microphone, one of my microphones. I don't really care for it, you know, it's not that great. Scissor. And then this is my bass box for my 5-in-1 sound system, which is pretty good. I could, well, I don't have my speaker set up, but I do have my headphones set up, so I can't really play how it sounds, but it sounds amazing. You know, and my massage chair, you know, I do not have it hooked up because it runs, I run over the cord with it, and it's not very powerful. You know, it like vibrates the lower part of your back. I mean, do you really need it like that? I mean, if you see right somewhere over here, it's like, yeah, right there. Okay, it's tied up and then unplugged. But yeah, that is my setup for right now. Pretty good. I like it, but I wanted better, but this is what I could afford. But for right now, this is my setup. Tell me what you think about it, guys. Comment, like, subscribe, and I don't care if it's a bad comment, a good one, whatever, something. Alright, have a good one. Talk to you.